Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So just to customize AOD option, you should first open the settings, then scroll down to the display and brightness, tap the Always On Display section, and you could also turn off the wallpapers to show and turn off the show notifications. Let's just click to the switchers to turn them off. Now let's just lock the device and we could see here only the dark screen with the date and the time. If you wanna turn on again these options by the same way, click on the switchers and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.